subscribe, man. You know, want me to talk all proper and clear? I got you. What is going on? We bite for number 2. What? What the fuck is that? My bad. We we back for number 2 though. Hey, I'm gonna show y'all how to get the mixings in, right? Get your professional clean vocals from the cribs. Sound like you at Capital One, you know? Nigga, that's a credit card. Like we at Capital Records, you know what I mean? Yeah, not Capital One. You don't want to be owing these people money, boy. Nah, we at Capital Records, boy. We gonna get it clean. We gonna get it clean, boy. Let's go. Let's dive straight in, man. Wasting time out here. First, we gonna start with an auto tune like always, right? Get it in.
Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel, ain't no flex in that shit. Heard the prices going down, you gon' trade in your shit.
I'm about a G though. Let's see we can get a G in it, ho. I mean, play around like I'm fond of that bitch. I ain't never used a G before. Well, let's see.
Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane roll.
You see what I just did though? Y'all gotta do that, cause people do this and like stop it at a certain number, cause they hear people say, "Oh, low cut 120, low cut 100." Man, screw them people. Don't listen to them people. I'm gonna tell you what to do. Move that joint up till it sound El Terrible, cut, and then move it back slowly till it sound good. Yeah.
Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel, ain't no flex in that shit. Heard the prices going down, you gon' trade in your shit. Bring the whip, got burgundy. That little bitch want burgundy.
Around there sound good to me. I don't know about you, but it sound good to me. You know what I'm saying? Yo, don't be listening to them people, man.
Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel, ain't no flex in that shit. Heard the prices going down, you gon' trade in your shit. Bring the whip, got burgundy. That little bitch want burgundy. Where the fuck was you when I was down bad tryna break them in? If it's lost, I found it. Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style.
Yep.
Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel, ain't no flex in that shit. Heard the prices going down, you gon' trade in your shit. Bring the whip, got burgundy. That little bitch want burgundy. Where the fuck was you when I was down bad tryna break them in? If it's lost, I found it. Remember calling Brushy from the phone in accounting. I ain't go to school, but I've been picking up accounting. Told her run them numbers, it ain't add up what you counting. That little bitch a baddie, wanna go shopping, she ain't counting. She can't do no good, but wanna take trips up out of country. Little bitch want my money, she ain't do nothing for me. How you got her OnlyFans, but bitch ain't make no content.
Alright, check it out. I'm doing a A/B test real quick. Hey, move that beat up, man. Hold on. Can he beat do this? Ain't he gonna do that? Ain't he gonna do that? A/B test. I like how that Jones sound, but let's see how it sound with the E. I ain't never used a G before.
Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel. Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel, ain't no flex.
That's the house style bezel. It don't sound good right now.
Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel, ain't no flex.
The E sound more natural. I don't know if y'all heard the same thing I heard, but the E sound natural. E sound smooth. We got the EQ done, right? We got the EQ done. Now let's go back to the De-essing. Your S's, right? You know a range of your S's. Your S's is not in the lows. Your S's is in the highs, right? I like around 5K and up. Like cut them balls off, you know, right here. See the little thing right here? Up. Not a section. I like mine like just cut the whole thing. Duck it. It's easy, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how to get saucy, bro. Ain't that crazy?
Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel.
You know, what's his name? R.I.P. Self, man. Self, you know, future engineer. He like every 10 words, something like that, right? And like ducking every time. I hate doing it. I don't know why I always do that, boy. It ain't ducking every time that you rapping or talking, right? It like every 10 words it might duck, you know. Compression time, big. Let go.
Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel, ain't no flex in that shit. Heard the prices going down, you gon' trade in your shit. Bring the whip, got burgundy.
I don't really like the auto-tune I'm on right now. I was trying to see what Post Malone be at 40. I'm like, I ain't doing no 40. I tried 20. I like 10 though. 10 me. Whoever doing whatever, do whatever. But I like 10. 10 sound better on me.
Play around like I'm fond of that.
Alright, we got the compression in. And then from there we go to another compression. This just like taming. You know what I mean? We just doing a little bubble control.
Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel, ain't no flex in that shit. Heard the prices going down, you gon' trade in your shit. Bring the whip, got burgundy. That little bitch want breaking in. Where the fuck was you when I was down bad trying to break them in?
So what we got? Autotune, EQ, De-essing, compressor. I'm gonna combine both of them, John. And then limiter. So that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we combine those compressors, so that's 5. That's 5. This is just labeling my volume of the vocals to the beat. This right here. I'm gonna show y'all.
Play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel, ain't no flex in that shit. Heard the prices going down.
It's like volume, right? The way I say my saying, it's called pre-fader. So all the vocals coming in, they gonna go to the send at the same volume. So if I lower this on, look, hear it. You gonna still hear the effects, how they would sit. So I like, but if I do this, John, it lowers everything at the same time. My bad, I was talking over myself. So that's why I use these. And we lit, man. We done. But for the ad-lib, right? All I did for the ad-lib was add this distortion plugin right here. That's about it.
For that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel, ain't no flex in that shit. Heard the prices going down, you gon' trade in your shit. I can't even play around like I'm fond of that bitch. It's a plain Jane rolling, ain't got time for that bitch. Oh, this a house style bezel, ain't no flex in that shit. Heard the prices going down, you gon' trade in your shit.
Hey, that about it for the video, man. Listen, man. Wanna learn more? Subscribe, man. You know, want me to talk all proper and clear? I got you. Subscribe. Hey, for all my real niggas, man. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. Yeah, you dig what I'm saying? Yeah, turn on. We got it. I'm out of here.